Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So in this video, we're just going to do a quick and simple unboxing of the brand new DJI Neo. Now, by the time you're watching this unboxing video, I will have already uploaded my full review as I did get early access to it. So I will link my review to it down in the description of this video. So this is a mini sub 250 gram drone. I'm actually really excited about it. And yeah, so let's just take a look at it. Now I have two different versions here. This is basically just the drone. You will be able to purchase the drone only. And then here we have the combo, which essentially gives us some extra batteries and a charging hub. So let's open up the combo box first. Right away, we can pull out the drone, and man, that thing is tiny. So you can see there it is there. And indeed, it kind of looks like a little mini Avata. We'll take a closer look at it here in a second. Let's see what else comes inside the box. You can see on one side we get our USB-C to USB-C cable for charging. We have two spare props. We have a screwdriver to change the props. And then we have a little information package, some stickers. On the other side of the accessory box, we have the charging hub. You can see it's very similar to the mini series charging hub and the air charging hub, just on a much smaller scale. And we have the spare batteries. With this kit, you get a total of 3 batteries. One's already pre-installed in the drone there. And then we get 2 spare ones. So let's take a closer look at the drone here. You can see we've got a button there at the top, another button at the back, USB-C port for charging up the device and also for transferring data and updating firmware. We have the battery installed in the bottom. See, it just comes out there like that. There's no memory card in this little device. It only has onboard storage. I'm not quite sure what that is yet. I haven't got that information. This actually has removable prop guards. As you can see there, we can take them off. And then we have a little camera protector there that comes off. And then there's the camera. It is on a 1-axis gimbal. So now we'll take a quick look at the drone only version. Basically, it's going to be the same. See, we have the drone here. We have the literature package. With this version though, we don't get the extra batteries or a charging hub. All we get with it are the 2 spare props, USB-C cable, and a screwdriver. Now, like a lot of hardware, the equipment has to be activated, and there's going to be firmware that needs to be updated. You can update it via the Fly app, connected to a smartphone, or you can plug it into a laptop or desktop and update the firmware via the DJI Assistant 2 app. Now, as for compatibility with controllers, it actually has quite a bit of compatibility with existing hardware. First of all, this is new. This is the RCN3, and you can fly the Neo with it. This is a brand new controller that was launched alongside of the Neo. If you have the DJI RCN2, the one that comes with the Air 3, it is fully compatible with it as well. As is the DJI RC2, the one with the built-in screen. This one also comes with the Air 3 or the Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Goggles 3 are also compatible, so you can have a nice immersive flight. And when flying FPV, it is compatible with the Motion 3 controller, as well as the FPV version 3 controller. When using the FPV controller, you're able to put this in manual mode and fly it in full manual. As mentioned, by the time you're watching this unboxing video, I've already flown this drone for quite a bit of time and I have a full review already on my YouTube channel. I will include a link to it down in the description of this video. It's an extremely versatile drone. In its simplest mode, it's fully autonomous. You don't need a controller. You can just press a button and have it perform various tasks. It will come right back to you and land in the palm of your hand. Or you can fly it with one of the existing controllers for a more traditional flight, or you can fly it FPV style if that's more your preferred method. The nice thing is you can switch back and forth between all the methods, depending on what the situation and what kind of content you're trying to capture. Well, folks, if this is a drone you're interested in, make sure you're subscribed as we will be covering it fully over the coming weeks. Tips and tutorials, demonstration videos, and of course reviews, and as things get updated with it, we'll be covering that as well. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.